In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to transfer money from bank account to PayPal. We'll walk through exactly where to go, what to click, and a few tips to make sure the transfer is smooth and secure. Before you start, make sure you have an active PayPal account and a bank account in your name. You'll also want a stable internet connection and your login details ready. Begin by going to PayPal's website and signing into your account. You'll land on your account summary page. This is your home base for everything related to your balance, recent activity, and quick actions. If you don't see the summary view, look for the option to go to your account overview. Next, look for the option labeled Link a Card or Bank. This is important because PayPal can only move money to or from accounts you've securely connected. If your bank is already linked, you're good to proceed. If you're linking a bank for the first time, choose the bank option and follow the on-screen prompts. Make sure the bank account name matches your PayPal profile to avoid holds or reversals. If PayPal asks for quick confirmations, simply complete them as prompted. This helps keep your account secure and ensures transfers work reliably. Once your bank is linked, return to your account summary and select Transfer Funds. On this screen, you'll be guided through moving money from your bank to your PayPal balance. Choose your linked bank as the source, confirm that PayPal balance is the destination, and enter the amount you want to move. Take a moment to review the details carefully. Double-check the amount and the bank you selected before you confirm. Depending on your location and account, you may see different speed options. Standard transfers typically take 1 to 3 business days, though they can take a bit longer depending on your bank's processing times and weekends or holidays. Some accounts may show faster options that can arrive sooner, sometimes with a small fee. If you're not in a rush, the standard option is usually free. A few tips to wrap up. Keep your bank funded to avoid transfer failures. If you run into limits, that's normal for newer accounts. Those usually increase over time. You can monitor progress on your activity page where pending and completed transfers appear. If something doesn't look right, contact PayPal support directly from within your account for secure help. And that's it. Go to PayPal, link your bank if needed, and use transfer funds to move money into your PayPal balance confidently and safely.